Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to take a look at the Hot Wheels van series for 2024. I know it is 2025, but I still wanted to do this video. But yeah guys, let's go take a look. So for the last car in the set, it is the Dodge van. Right there, pretty cool. I will open these, but yeah. Then we have the VW T3 Custom. It is a new casting for 2024. I wish I had the international card, but I do not. I think this is the international. No, the international is one of the. Nothing. I think I have the I don't know. I don't remember, but still, very cool casting. Love the headlights too and the little thing. But yeah. Then the next car, so fourth. Then we also have the Ford Lightning. The Ford Transit Connect. That is also a treasure hunt, and I just absolutely love the deco on this. But yeah, right there. T-Hunt. Boom. Then after, for the second last car, ID Buzz in orange. Came out last year in yellow. Then we have the Chrysler Pacifica. This one was kind of hard to find. I did not. It's because it's kind of old. But anyways, guys, let's crack all these open. So yeah, let's go. Move this. But yeah, so for the first car, we have the Chrysler Pacifica right there. First car out of the set. Let's crack it open. Sorry guys, let's take a look at this casting. But here it is, guys. This is actually a pretty nice casting. Usually this would be like a peg warmer on the shelf. But still, surprisingly, it's got a very nice detail. I love this kind of sunset with this like kind of pixelated like mountain on the side. Kind of simple drawing. Pacifica, we have the nice little tires in the back. No back headlight tampos or front headlight tampos, which makes sense since this is going to be sitting on the shelf and they'll be taking all the budget. But yeah, let's take a look at the front. Very nice. No head, no nothing. But still, pretty cool sunroof and the little lights on top. So we will put that right there. So okay, for the second car, we got the orange ID Buzz. Very cool. Hot Wheels vans. I really like the Chrysler. Actually, is pretty nice. Last year, this car, no, 2 years ago, I think this car came out. Actually, yeah, 2 years ago, this car came out originally in yellow, which I don't have on me at the moment, but I do have. Wow, I love this thing, even though this thing is shaped like a brick. Probably has the aerodynamics of one, but I really love this car. It's an interesting casting. There are a lot of scratch marks on the window, but still, very nice casting. I love the front headlights with the Volkswagen logo and the headlights. Pretty cool grille at the bottom. I just love this car a lot. It's a pretty cool, like, casting to hold in your hand. Very cool chrome, nice little, like, top glass part. It says ID Buzz on the back. Look at that, the Volkswagen logo and the little taillights. So we've got this white stripe going around it with these nice chrome wheels. Still, it is a very nice car to kind of have in hand. So look at that. Very beautiful. Anyways, next car, then we have the Ford Transit Connect, which is the treasure hunt. So let's go ahead and pop it open. Boom, T-Hunt logo. Only reason why I opened this because it already had this and it was ruined. But yeah, oh my god. Let's just take a look at this. We gotta do this quick. I adore this casting. I love it. I don't care what people say. It's a girly car. It's sick. I love this very cool, like, designer kind of flowers on the side. Flower delivery with the T-Hunt logo. No front headlight tampos, but I do love the purple glass and the purple wheels on this thing. I love the little deco on top with all the flowers and stuff. That is pretty sick. Still, it is a really cool casting. As soon as I saw this treasure hunt at a release, I was like, I need it. Still very cool. Very awesome. Very cool treasure hunt. But yeah, next car, it is the T3 Custom, new for 2024. Very sick. I'm gonna give it a crack. There is gonna be another recolor of this coming out next year. I assume. I'm gonna assume I've seen it. Yeah, I'll try to make this quick. Boom, there it is. T-Free Custom. Very cool car. This is a custom, like, T-Free. Or, I mean, Volkswagen bus. Pretty sick. I love the little, like, nail holes and the gold rims. Love the front, what they did here. Look at that. Oh, I love that little Volkswagen logo and these little headlights right there. What's wrong with the logo? Come on. So whatever, but still love these little extra writing on there. But yeah, this thing is sick though. It has some very cool other tampos inside. It's a little smiley face with a X on it. T-Free 79. I think this one's made, this model. Still very cool casting. It's actually pretty awesome. Pretty sick aerodynamics. The air goes through there. Put my finger in the back. But yeah, pretty sick casting, guys. Put that aside. Now for the final and last casting, the Dodge van. Let's pop it open. Anyways, guys, here is the last casting. The HW Racing Dodge van. It's a pretty cool casting. I would say this was like a kinda-ish peg warmer. I love the design. I love this like bluish kind of sea blue kind of glass on it. Very cool livery with the checkered flag. Hot Wheels Racing. It has front headlight tampos, which is really nice. Love that little guard splitter at the bottom. Lots of chrome on the bumper. Same livery on the side. Look at that. JDC number 3. Still, guys, nothing on the back. But anyways, guys, pretty cool casting.